Good morning. Julie, wake up. We're going to be late for school. What? Oh, yeah. School. Why can't school wait to start till 11? Because some people want to learn early when their brains are fresh. Oh, whatever. You know, you are so uptight. Me? You're too loose. Whatever. Here, you go get dressed first, so give me time to sleep. Fine. Thank you. What to wear, what to wear. Oh, I know. Perfect. Well, alrighty. Now, time to go wake up Julie. Wish me. Julie, it's time to wake up. Julie, get up! What? Oh. Thanks. I'll get dressed in a minute. Okay, I'll be waiting in the living room reading, so hurry up. Fine, pushy. Ah, my favorite outfit. Perfect. Let's get the show on the road. Well, I'm off to class. Okay, laters. Have a good day. Bye.